Keith, a very deceptively nice day outside. It looks beautiful.
It does.
But you need a jacket.
Yeah, I was trying to fix my screen door today, and I just stepped outside and I was working on it. I was like, I went back inside and got a sweatshirt. I was like, this is legit.
You need some layers.
It's flapping around in the breeze. That's the other thing. It's quite windy out there. We got to 50 so far in Portland, fine, but a lot of us in the 40s and 30s in the middle of the day, and the wind is howling 30 to 35 miles an hour, 33 in Portland, 26 miles an hour in Sanford, and 32 miles an hour in Bangor, northwest. Usually a good wind direction for us this time of the year, not so much when it's this chilly though, and you can see the clouds kind of flowing with it. At least we're getting some sun over southern and western Maine, not really the case in the mountains and over down east Maine, where we've got quite a few showers bubbling up in the last hour or so. Got a report that we've got some sleet or graupel out there where it's indicating snow right now, and then the rest of this is just chilly rain showers, makes it feel even colder. That dividing line right around Bangor up to Bar Harbor at this point. So those showers continue, some sun over southern Maine, but temperatures really don't move. It stays cool all day today. It stays breezy through the day as well. And then tonight, temperatures drop, well documentedly chilly tonight, as temperatures will drop to freezing or below almost everywhere in the morning. But we are able to pop back to about 60 by tomorrow afternoon. So we will recover. The winds will settle down quite a bit as well. So it'll feel a lot nicer by tomorrow afternoon. And then we've got a nice day on Friday. The only issue on Friday is that we're going to see a sea breeze, which we haven't seen a whole lot of so far this May, which is certainly an anomaly. Typically it's dominated, the month is, by that sea breeze, but we've got onshore flow, so temperatures right around 60 along the coastline, while inland could be upper 60s to around 70. Either way, a pretty nice day, a good deal of sunshine, and then we see some clouds as we move into the weekend. We'll talk about that forecast in a second, because that's the hard part, is the exact timing of the rain over the weekend. That high shifts to the east. Here we are on Thursday afternoon, Friday. That's a good spot. And then our rain event is basically a front meeting up with a little low to the south, and the models have been getting a little bit better resolving this. They were struggling for the last day or two as to the timing. But I think the initial call on this is going to be the correct one, where rain comes in late in the day on Saturday afternoon over southern Maine, evening over central and northern Maine. It rains Saturday night, but then this front moves out pretty quick, so a lot of us clear out Sunday through the mid-morning into the afternoon and have a nice Sunday afternoon. So I think that will end up being the solution, which is good, because the GFS model was really giving us a whole weekend of rain, and I don't think that's going to prevail. So that's the weekend. It's okay. First half of Saturday is good, second half of Sunday is good. That's pretty much, get half of the weekend in there. And then brief showers on Monday into the low 60s, upper 60s on Tuesday. I think the best day of this stretch, realistically for most of us, will be Friday. There'll be the most sunshine. The sea breeze is a little bit of an annoyance, but otherwise nice. Still trying to get a bead on Memorial Day weekend. Not sure quite yet. I think this afternoon we'll have a better picture of the broad strokes of what we're talking about here.
Generally what will look like.
Yeah.
And judging by your own 7-day, I'm guessing tomorrow would have been the day to fix the screen door.
Yeah,
Okay.
It would, but it's flapping around out there.
You gotta do it.
I got to do it today. Yeah.
All right, Keith, thanks.